Lottery tips and strategies. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to play Powerball using the lottery prediction sheets to increase your odds of an overall prize. Again, nothing is guaranteed to win. It's just showing you a way you can increase your odds to win a prize in the overall Powerball jackpot. These jackpot pots are growing. They're well over 700 million, which will probably end up reaching $1 billion. Again, this seems to be the norm for both Mega and Powerball. But today's video, I'm going to show you how to use prediction sheets to help increase your odds with some of the hot numbers that they give you. But first, make sure you guys are subscribed, hit the bell and the like button. It helps the channel grow, and you'll get alerted every time a video drops on the channel. So we have Powerball. Diving right into it. Use the prediction sheets. So you can also play Powerball on a sheet right here. This is my state, Illinois Lottery, but it's in every state of the U.S. just about. And you can also play online in your state's lottery. But for the purpose of this video, I'm going to show you on paper first. So what you guys got to understand about Powerball is something I had to realize in the beginning. Quick picks are good. I'm not saying quick picks had never won before, but when you look at the numbers here, see you have all these single numbers right here. It's not many single numbers, but what I mean by single numbers is 1 through 10. Most of the numbers are double-digit numbers. So anytime you look at any of the past drawings, you should see most of the numbers are high numbers, like 50, 63, 49, 68, or even in the 40s. You may get an occasional number of the single digits right here and there, but majority of the time, the numbers are always in the higher range because it's more numbers, it's math. So what you want to do is try to factor out some of the high numbers. And what you can do is look at some of the Powerball numbers that have been drawn. It's also websites out there and books that show you numbers that fall the most in Powerball and as well as Mega. So you can try to get those, and if you're watching the drawings, you can kind of play it for multiple draws and see if your numbers will hit. And we go down here to where it says the Powerballs right here. So the Powerballs go all the way up to 26. So when you look at most of these, some of these do come a little often because you don't have any numbers really high. It's about equal. So you will see more numbers fall between 1 through 10 in the Powerball area right here because it's not as many numbers as it would be up here. So we're going to get the prediction sheet. For the sake of this video, we're going to use the lottery vibrations, which you can also find on this channel. Check that video out. So you go to the middle page of the lottery vibrations. It's in it every month. In this month of March, it's 8 and 9. So not focusing on pick 3, but these are some numbers right here. So you want to get the numbers that these are the high numbers that they predict that's going to be the highest numbers to fall. Of course, if these were the magic numbers, everyone will play and everyone will be a winner at the same time, just like the episode of Martin, but it's not the case. But you can use some of these numbers to play your own combinations, and that's what we're going to do today, and I'm going to show you guys how I do it. I've not won $1 million. This is a disclaimer, not financial advice. This is just how I do it and make a little bit of extra cash. I've won 20, 50. Most I ever won was maybe about $100 on Powerball, but you never know. You might get to 10,000 or $1 million. You just never know. So what we're going to do is make sure you got your pen and make sure you only pick 5 numbers. So what we're going to do here, we're going to start with this one right here. Like, see, we said some of the high numbers. So right here, don't see too many high numbers except 32 and 43. So then we'll go look over here to see what we see. Okay, we have 39 and 42. So then we also want to go through the sheet again and see what other numbers do we see that we can possibly play in combination with some of these numbers. So you have right here 6, 20, 31, 36, 38. And you also see down here 7, 12, 19, 27, 37, 40. Never know. Some of these numbers will come lower, but it's a lot of numbers. Of course, the odds vary against you, so just worth a shot. So right here you have 9, 16, 18, 22, 39, and 44. So the numbers I'm seeing that repeat the most is that four numbers in the 40 and 43 and 44. You have 30s a little bit. So what I'm gonna do for the sake of this video, show you guys right here. So I'm gonna put 32. Then we're gonna go 44. Then we're gonna go back through it and see if any other numbers reach out. I kind of like this number right here, 39. And keep in mind, you want to do even and odds. You don't want all odds and all even. Just laws of math. Just it's not going to all come odd and not going to all come even in the draw. So you want to at least switch it up. It may come 5 out of 6, but it's rare that it comes all odd or even. So we said we're going to pick 39. So now we have to pick 2 more. So we go through the sheet again. See what else that we see that might stick out. So we already have a number in 30s. We have 2 numbers in the 30s, and then we only have 1 in the 40s, 44. So let's look and see what else we can see. All right. So have 14, 15, have 9, 16, 18, 19. So these are multiple numbers that they have drawn. Again, I'm also liking this 26 and 29. So I'm going to go ahead and put that there. And if you ever watch these draws, you'll see the numbers are always kind of close together. And you say, man, they don't spread them out as much as you think they would. They always come like 2 numbers in the same, and then it skips to 30s and 2 numbers, or sometimes 4 numbers are the same. It makes it harder for you. All right, so we said right here, 29 and 26. So you see how I'm spreading it out even and odd? Okay, so now we got our 5 for this row right here, your first pick. And you feel free to go through all these and do this again and mix them up. So, but for the sake of this video, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now we have to pick right down here our Powerball number. So what sticks out to me the most is looking at the lowest number, just for my preference. I'm seeing right here, 19. See a lot of teen numbers in here, 19, 14, 15. Come over here, 20. Then we also have 7, 12, 19, 27, 37. So I saw 19 on here a few times. So I'm going to choose that as the Powerball number. So we go ahead, select 19. All right. So this is how you use the prediction sheets to select mega Powerball numbers. So remember, you also can play online. You can select those numbers as well. And when you're selecting, you would just see on your phone or on a desktop. I preferably like to use the app. It's quicker, it's faster. I'll go and look at the numbers the same way that I do with this. And then I would just enter the numbers in, fill it in just like this, as well as the Powerball. And then I will add it to the cart on the lottery app. And then if I want to do multiple, I can also hit a quick pick button on the app. It will give me a quick pick. And I can even go back and add again. And if you feel like you do want to do a quick pick, don't want to on a sheet, you can just fill out this just like this. And just say you want a quick pick on game B, but you want to pick your own Powerball number. So you can go there and let's pick 7. So you can flip it around different ways. And of course, the Powerball website tells you guys a little bit more information. But make sure you guys are subscribed. Going to do a mega one as well. So you can tune in for that one when I do it. So thanks for watching. Appreciate all the super thanks. It helps go to the channel so I can get more tips and info for you guys.